If you run Coolify for self-hosted deployments, check your version now. Multiple NVD entries and GitHub advisories list critical Coolify flaws, including CVE 2026-34047 and CVE 2026-34048, both rated CVSS 9.9. The practical risk is unauthorized terminal access inside a DevOps platform that can manage servers, applications, databases, and deployment workflows. Patch to the fixed beta releases, review users and teams, and restrict management access. Coolify is popular because it gives teams a self-hosted platform as a service experience. That also means it sits close to sensitive infrastructure, SSH access, containers, environment variables, databases, logs, and deployment secrets. When a platform like that has authorization or command execution bugs, the blast radius can be much larger than a single web app. The first two CVEs are the priority. CVE 2026-34047 FX Coolify before 4.0.0 beta.471. NVD says terminal WebSocket bootstrap routes did not enforce expected authorization middleware, allowing an authenticated user to access terminal functionality for resources outside the authorized scope and potentially execute commands. CVE 2026-34048, also fixed in 4.0.0 beta.471, describes terminal WebSocket routes that checked authentication but not terminal authorization, allowing a low-privileged team member to connect and execute commands on team servers. A third critical issue, CVE 2026-34037, is fixed in 4.0.0 beta.464. It involves a clone action that authorized the source resource but resolved destination resources without proper team scoping. The result is a cross-tenant resource access risk, which matters for any shared Coolify environment. There are also high-severity command injection style issues. CVE 2026-34035 is rated 8.8 and fixed in 4.0.0 beta.466. It concerns log drain secrets and environment values being used in shell commands without sufficient encoding. The defensive takeaway is simple: deployment metadata and secrets must never become shell syntax. What should defenders do today? First, identify every Coolify instance and upgrade to at least the fixed versions named in the advisories. Beta.471 or later addresses the terminal authorization items, while later beta releases include additional fixes. Second, limit Coolify access to trusted administrators, enable MFA where available, and remove stale team members. Third, place the management interface behind VPN, SSO, or a trusted network path instead of exposing it broadly. Fourth, review audit logs, terminal usage, unexpected resource clones, new SSH keys, new environment variables, and unexplained deployment changes. Fifth, rotate sensitive tokens if you suspect unauthorized access. No proof-of-concept steps are needed to act. These are official vulnerability records with patches available. For teams using AI-assisted deployment or rapid DevOps automation, this is also a reminder: the control plane is part of your security boundary. Patch it, monitor it, and treat access to it like production infrastructure.